Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the ADATA Legend 840 PCI-4 M.2 SSD. This SSD uses the infamous Innogrit 5220 SSD controller and comes with a capacity of 1 terabyte. It offers a sequential read speed of up to 5,000 megabytes per second and a sequential write speed of up to 4,500 megabytes per second. This SSD is suitable for all PCs and laptops, but more interestingly, it can also support PS5s. The package also comes with a super thin heat spreader or heat shield, and that makes it extremely low profile and is suitable for most laptops out there. Now I'm expecting some extremely good performance, especially from the Innogrit SSD controller, so let's not waste any time, put this into our test rig and see how it performs. But before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the ADATA Legend 840 PCI-4 M.2 SSD with 1 terabyte capacity. Alright, let's take a look inside the box. So what we have. Alright, okay, and here we go. You can see the SSD, and also comes with a heat shield, ADATA Legend 840. Here we have the heat shield. It's a super thin heat shield which covers the actual SSD, and that mounts quite nicely on there. Alright, let's take a look at the SSD. There we go. And alright, ADATA Legend 840, and it's suitable for both the PCs and laptops. It has 2 ADATA chips with a capacity of 1 terabyte. And on the top here we have the Innogrit IG5220 SSD controller. It's one of the fastest SSD controller on the market, and we should get a sequential read speed of around about 5,000 megabytes per second and a sequential write speed of around about 4,500 megabytes per second. This SSD is suitable for both PCs and laptops, but more interestingly, you can also use it on the PS5. What I like about the heat shield is that it's super thin, which means you can actually use this to help with the cooling, especially if you mount it in laptops. Most of the SSDs out there I know come with a large heatsink, which is not really suitable for laptops, but this one of course comes with a super thin heat shield, which is ideal for installing into laptops. I can't wait to see how this SSD will perform in our test rig. We'll be using an ASRock Z690 ITX motherboard along with some nice DDR5 RAM, as well as a Core i9 12900KF processor. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the ADATA Legend 840 PCI-4 M.2 SSD with a capacity of 1 terabyte. It offers excellent performance with a read speed of up to 5,000 megabytes per second and a write speed of 4,500 megabytes per second. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy this via links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.